Everybody. Today we'll be checking out the snow fruit, also known as the blizzard fruit. So here we go. First off is the first move, Snowflake Shuriken. Oh, and by the way, this costs 2,000. No, it costs 2,200,000 belly, or just money, I guess. And by the way, no, yes. No, you can't get hurt by the fruit itself. You can't get hurt by anyone because you have this basically a Logia-like fruit. First move, that's nice. Very nice. Shurikens. See that one more time. See that one more time. You can barely see the snowflakes. It's fine. Except for the whiteout move, my favorite. Look how funny they spin. Look at that. Let's get one more time. This time we just zoom out a bit, I guess. See how far that goes? Jeez. One more time just for the heck of it. It goes quite far. Now for the next move, Howling Wind. You see that? A blizzard. That looks amazing. See that one more time? For a bit. Nice. And now for my favorite move I've seen before. This has huge AoE, like huge. Let me show you. Blizzard Domain. You might say that's not huge, but that is huge. And it goes for a long time. See that one more time because I want to. Man, the cooldown is annoying. It's fine to regenerate their health really quickly. And my favorite, this move. You can drag opponents with it. Let me just show you the only downside of this, as usual, is be extremely quick. This is going to be extremely quick. I'm just going to show you what the issue about this is. As you can see, I can still take damage. Despite being Logia, because this guy has aura. Or what you call armament, hockey, whatever. My honest thoughts about this fruit, it's good. But I honestly hate how the AoE is, like, it's so wide. Like, look at this. I could literally hit an opponent with this. It is way too big for that. Might be good for, like, grinding, but there is no M1, which I really hate. But the Blizzard Domain looks pretty cool. It's a forecast. Today's forecast is your mother. Is this fruit worth it? Yes and no. Many reasons why yes, and many reasons why no. One thing is because, well, the fruit is good for fighting. For PvP, maybe. It'd be good for, like in a fun way. But the AoE is the huge issue. It's like a double-edged sword because, well, it basically is really good if you're trying to fight really good opponents. But the fruit is good, not gonna lie. But I wish it would have done a little bit better, like maybe decrease the range of whatever this move is. Because or whatever, like the AoE, because it's way too wide. But that's all there is I could say here. So, as usual, see you guys later.